The Audi Rsq8 may not be a sports car, but it is the most well-equipped RS spec Audi you can get your hands on. Surprisingly, it's the same as a Lamborghini Urus under the skin, which is why it makes sense to rank it just under the Urus. The cosmetic changes on the Rsq8 make it more aggressive than the Q8, and the handling and performance characteristics have also been improved quite significantly. The sporty theme continues towards the interior that's lined with contrasting stitching and driver-oriented controls. Although the Rsq8 is pretty much aggressive as it is, you can get an even more aggressive carbon black edition that features additional use of carbon fiber. Despite having the same sole as a Urus, the Rsq8 somehow manages to be a bit comfier and more luxurious than its cousin. The starting price is just around $115,000, which is considerably less pricey than the Urus.